In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Miro with Slack. This integration can really enhance your workflow, making it easier to collaborate with your team and keep everyone on the same page. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right into it. The very first step is to open a Miro board. So head over to Miro and log into your account. Once you're in, select any of your existing project boards that you want to integrate with Slack. This could be a board that you're currently working on, or a new one you want to enhance. Now that you've got your Miro board open, the next step is to navigate to the settings. Look for the settings icon, which looks like a little gear in the top left corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to various adjustments you can make. Click on this gear icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile Settings. This will take you to a dashboard where you can manage various preferences for your Miro account. Once you're in the Settings dashboard, you'll want to find the Integrations section. On the left sidebar of the screen, you should see an option labeled Integrations. Click on that. Integrations are where all the fun happens, as they allow you to connect Miro with other tools you're using. Now let's scroll down in the Integrations menu until you find the Slack option. It should be easy to spot. Right next to Slack, there will be a Connect button. Go ahead and click that button. This action starts the process of linking your Miro boards with your Slack workspace. You may be prompted to authorize your account at this point. If that happens, just sign into your Slack workspace. Make sure you enter the correct credentials for the Slack account you want Miro to connect with. As part of the authorization process, you'll need to accept various permissions. This step is key because it allows Miro to send notifications and updates directly to your Slack channels. Additionally, if your organization has security measures in place, you might need to complete a verification code or other security checks. Make sure you follow those prompts closely to ensure everything is set up correctly. After you've completed these steps, just sit back for a moment. Miro will finish the integration and you'll see a confirmation that you're successfully connected to Slack. Congratulations! You've just linked your Miro boards to Slack. And that means you'll be able to share updates, manage tasks, and collaborate with your team more effectively than ever before. And that's it for today's video on how to integrate Miro with Slack. I hope you found these steps easy to follow. This integration can save you and your team a lot of time and help streamline your communications. Remember, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.